It's day 2. KOA makes it official. It's day 2. Hello. Ready to get barreled.
Get it to the beat pretty freaking. Here comes the savageness. Oh my god.
God, it's what you having out there. We got a little bit of life left in us.
A couple more energies.
Do you want to explain what happened yesterday?
You go for it.
We just show up to Silverback. It's probably as big as it's ever been. It was really scary. Our adrenaline was just like, and then it would just like crash because adrenaline dump. And then, yeah, just go back and forth like that. So it's very exhausting on the system. We're under the sun all day. We're also getting super bashed by the waves. We came back in. I don't even remember what we did. We just chilled, ate lunch, went right back out and surfed all afternoon as well. The wave's really tricky and hard to like even catch a wave. So we didn't even catch that many waves throughout the day, but it was a very successful day because it was so scary and got the heart pumping and
I feel like we're beginning.
Healthy.
We're healthy.
Happy and healthy. We're healthy.
We're healthy. I feel like we're beginning to learn the wave too.
Absolutely, yeah.
We're learning where to be when those crazy waves come in. I personally don't even want to be on one of them, but maybe if I'm in the perfect spot, then I'll go.
Yeah. You got to present yourself with the perfect opportunity.
Yeah.
If you just like suicide mish on one of them, you could die. So not really worth it.
Yeah. Draw the line.
Draw the line. Be smart. Choose wisely. Surf.
It's kind of our last chance to surf it too.
Yeah. So the swell's dropping down.
Now's
This is
the
the next
time.
morning. Here we go.
Now's the time. Relax.
Woohoo! Another day. Hopefully it's pumping out there.
So we're out here at Silverbacks watching it, and it seems okay, but it's wild because we just have to sit in this boat and rock around. Our filmer got super sick the first day. Koa wasn't feeling too hot the first day as well. It's crazy what a surfer will do to get a good wave.
Sitting on the inside, you're pretty much cooked. But how do you get in there? Travis, maybe you should just swim out there with your fins and push me in on a couple. What? I think I'm gonna go give it a go. If you chipped in on that last one and got behind that thing, then you would be dead right now. Don't die. No. I'd be safe.
You know, and it makes a lot of sense, you know. He always did well at Haleiwa and Sunset, you know, and those big.
What do you guys think?
Oh, I feel dried out.
Tell me about the chippopotamus.
You gotta get the chippopotamus.
Ladies and gentlemen, Silverbacks!